Are you ready to transform your financial future? 2025 is bringing fresh, innovative opportunities to make money online, and you don't want to miss out. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, this video is packed with 12 exciting new ways to earn money online. From leveraging the latest tech trends to capitalizing on emerging markets, these methods will help you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive into these opportunities and help you get ahead of the game. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos on making money online, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss out on these tips and tricks. Now, let's get into the list of 12 fresh ways to make money online in 2025. What we'll cover: AI-powered freelancing. 2. Selling digital collectibles, NFTs 2.0. 3. Virtual assistant niches. 4. E-commerce microstores. 5. Creating AI-enhanced courses. 6. Subscription-based communities. 7. Stock video and audio sales. 8. Remote consulting services. 9. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. 10. Investing in digital real estate. 11. Online fitness and wellness coaching. 12. Reselling AI tools and software. 1. AI-powered freelancing. Artificial intelligence is reshaping freelancing. In 2025, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are booming with demand for AI-enhanced skills, like AI-driven design, copywriting, and data analysis. Learn to use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Synthesia to stand out from the crowd. 2. Selling digital collectibles, NFTs 2.0. NFTs are evolving beyond art. In 2025, they're tied to memberships, courses, and even real estate. Platforms like OpenSea and Rarible offer endless opportunities to create and sell unique digital collectibles. 3. Virtual assistant niches. Gone are the days of generic VA work. In 2025, specialized niches like podcast editing, social media growth, or even AI integration management are in demand. If you're detail-oriented, this is your moment to shine. 4. E-commerce microstores. Microstores focusing on one or two products are gaining traction. These stores use platforms like Shopify or Etsy and are powered by hyper-targeted marketing. Choose trending niches to build your online empire. 5. Creating AI-enhanced courses. Education is going digital, and AI is leading the charge. Use tools like Teachable or Kajabi to create personalized AI-enhanced courses. Topics like coding, finance, or creative writing are evergreen areas. 6. Subscription-based communities. People are willing to pay for exclusive content and networking. Platforms like Patreon or Substack let you monetize niche expertise. Think book clubs, stock market tips, or even hobby-based groups. 7. Stock video and audio sales. With the explosion of online creators, there's a constant need for stock video and music. Websites like Shutterstock and Epidemic Sound allow you to earn passive income by uploading quality visuals and sounds. 8. Remote consulting services. If you're an expert in any field, be it marketing, HR, or even gardening, you can offer one-on-one consulting services via Zoom or other platforms. Websites like Clarity.fm make it easy to connect with clients. 9. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. Affiliate marketing isn't new, but AI tools make it more accessible. Platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank paired with analytics tools can help you optimize your affiliate campaigns. 10. Investing in digital real estate. Digital real estate includes domain names, websites, or even virtual land and metaverse platforms. By flipping domains or renting out metaverse spaces, you can build a passive income stream. 11. Online fitness and wellness coaching. Fitness and mental health are bigger than ever. By hosting virtual classes or personalized wellness programs, you can tap into a lucrative market while helping people improve their lives. 12. Reselling AI tools and software. Reselling SaaS tools is trending. Partner with companies like HubSpot or Canva to offer premium versions of their services while earning a commission. This is a fantastic way to earn recurring revenue. And there you have it. 12 brand new ways to make money online in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments and feel free to share your own money-making tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights into the world of online income. The future of making money online is here. Don't wait to get started.